Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Today we're just gonna be making naan. I wanted garlic naan, but I didn't I didn't have butter or garlic, so I just made plain naan. So what I added there now is 2 cups of flour and I think 2.5 cups of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and I mixed the yeast separately with warm water. 1 tablespoon of yeast with warm water so that it can rise on its own. Even though I didn't wait for it to rise, I just mixed it up, and I added 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. I had Greek yogurt, so I added Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and a little bit of salt. I don't like measuring ingredients. I just like to um, just put in as much as I think is okay. So that's why I struggle following um, other recipes because of the measurements. So you mix it up all, and then just making sure there's no lumps. And then I added the whole cup of yeast with water, mixed that up. We still kind of obviously didn't have enough water, so um, I just kept mixing fast to make sure it was it was too sticky. And then I added more hot water. Make sure the water is warm, lukewarm, and don't use cold water. And then that's how it turned out. Then they're a bit sticky, but it's fine. It's going to rise. So I just kept trying to make sure that I knead it properly, and then I covered it up and put it somewhere. Make sure that I clean the table afterwards, the counter clean. Then I'm making lentils on the side. I added tomato, onions, and potatoes in here. Some garlic and ginger paste and tomato paste. That's it. And that's the lentils that I soaked in water. And yeah, I'm gonna mix that up together. There, I've mixed it up together, and I'm just gonna close that so that it can cook. And then now, as you can see, the dough has risen. It's nice and soft and has a lot of air. So make sure you just remove the air. Pinch it until you remove the air. It's nice and soft now. I put it into these small balls, and I flatten it, and I start cooking now. Um, so you don't press it down when it's naan. You don't do that when it's chapati. So I just roll it. I just roll on each side, make sure it's cooked on each side, and yeah. So yeah, as you can see, I've done most of the naan. Look how nice and airy it gets when it's on top. It's really nice. It's like a flat bread. I don't know how the Indians do it or the Pakistanis where they put straight on the fire. It's a really nice tactic to learn. I almost thought of doing it, but I was like, no, you don't ruin it. You don't know how to do it. So I've made some others, the leftover of the dough. I flattened it and put them on top of a paper so I can put in the freezer because I wanted to make them fresh in the morning. So I'll show you. It's in the freezer, and here it is. Thank you guys for watching. That was my dinner. Have a nice day.